Alex stands before the severely damaged Range Rover, surveying the crumpled front and the rusted, dark gray exterior. He meticulously inspects the shattered headlight and bent metal, planning how to dismantle the heavily deformed front components. Under the hood, Alex uses power tools to strip away crumpled bodywork, leaving piles of scrap on the floor. The stripped chassis is secured on a jig, where hydraulic force begins pulling the bent frame back into alignment. Alex ensures every adjustment brings the structural components closer to their original factory specifications. He measures specific points on the frame, making fine adjustments to the hydraulic chains for a perfectly straight chassis. The main frame rails are now significantly straighter, showing the success of Alex's careful work on the alignment jig. Using a precision spirit level, he confirms the alignment, restoring the foundational integrity of the bare, straight metal frame. The chassis is now completely stripped and straightened, a clean frame ready for new sections and the rebuilding process. This preps the metal surface with solvents, ensuring it is free of rust before installing the new engine components. Using a pneumatic wrench, he removes the final damaged parts, leaving a clean compartment ready for the new engine. A pristine new engine block is lowered into the bay, its gleaming surfaces contrasting sharply with the old wreckage. Alex meticulously aligns the engine mounts and secures the bolts, successfully seating the new heart of the luxury vehicle. He connects the intricate wiring harnesses and fluid lines, steadily filling the bay with brand new and functional parts. A torque wrench clicks as Alex tightens bolts on the turbocharger, ensuring every component is fastened to professional standards. The engine bay is now fully restored with factory-fresh parts, standing as a testament to his meticulous mechanical work. Alex turns the ignition key, and the powerful engine roars to life, running smoothly after its complete internal installation. Observing the spinning belts and cooling fan, he confirms the integration of every new part is functional and flawless. Diagnostic readings show optimal performance, proving the heart of the vehicle is renewed and ready for its cosmetic overhaul. Closing the hood, Alex transitions from internal repairs to external restoration, starting the journey toward the new body panels.
Sparks fly as Alex welds a brand new fender onto the frame, seamlessly joining the fresh metal to the chassis. New doors and a hood are clamped into place as Alex carefully aligns each piece to ensure perfect gaps. The Range Rover has regained its original form, standing as a robust shell of bare metal awaiting its first primer. With practiced skill, Alex applies body filler to seams and minor imperfections, creating a flawless surface on the panels. Sanding the filler produces fine dust as Alex creates a smooth surface that blends perfectly with the bare metal. The exterior is now unified and sanded, ready for a protective primer to mask any remaining flaws on the surface. Dressed in a protective suit, Alex applies the first even layer of gray primer, creating a uniform, flawless base. The spray gun transforms the patchy metal surface into a matte gray finish, providing a blank canvas for color. Enveloped in a uniform coat of gray primer, the vehicle looks pristine, signaling the completion of the foundational preparation. Alex inspects the smooth, matte finish, ensuring the panels are perfectly prepared for the upcoming lustrous paint application stages.
Using fine sandpaper and water, Alex wet sands the primer to create an incredibly smooth surface for a flawless job. Under powerful LED lights, he scans for minute imperfections, ensuring the foundation is ready for the metallic gold coat. After a thorough rinse and drying, the vehicle is impeccably clean and ready for its dramatic and luxurious color transformation. The perfectly smooth gray surface represents a blank canvas, standing ready for its new life as a golden masterpiece. Confirming the surface is flawless, Alex masks the vehicle and moves it into the specialized booth for the paint. Inside the dust-free booth, Alex mixes the metallic gold paint, carefully checking its viscosity and balance before he begins. A delicate mist of gold begins to cover the gray primer, revealing a shimmering hue that suggests future opulence. The pass of the spray gun deepens the vibrant color,
as metallic flakes sparkle within the rich golden paint layers. The hood gleams with a consistent metallic gold base, showcasing a dramatic aesthetic shift that catches the workshop light. Entirely covered in vibrant gold, the vehicle stands magnificent, hinting at the luxury to be revealed very soon.
Alex inspects the gold base for any dust, ensuring absolute perfection before he applies the protective, high-gloss clear coat. He readies the spray gun for the final step that will provide the vehicle with incredible depth and sheen. The clear coat transforms the gold into a glossy, wet-look surface, enhancing the metallic flakes and locking in brilliance. Multiple layers of clear coat create a mirror-like reflection, preparing the surface for the final buffing and polishing stage. While the coat cures, the metallic paint shimmers with immense depth, signaling the ultimate transformation is nearly complete now. Alex uses a high-speed buffer to remove any imperfections, bringing out a clarity that moves toward a polished finish. The buffer leaves a mirrored, streak-free surface, revealing the true brilliance and liquid-like gloss of the polished gold paint. Observing the flawless, highly polished finish, Alex sees his own reflection with crystal clarity on the stunning golden surface. Attaching chrome emblems and polishing the wheels, Alex completes the luxury restoration, bringing the vehicle to its perfected state. Driving down the road, the golden masterpiece gleams, a testament to Alex's incredible skill and his hard work.